Hey everybody, it's Brian with Everything X-Carve. I just wanted to give a quick channel update and tell you about some new toys that I got. So stay tuned. Hey, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time here, this channel is dedicated to the X-Carve and CNC journey that I'm going on. I'm by no means an expert, so this is just something that I'm doing to share my successes and struggles with you and what I've done so far with the X-Carve. Got a couple new toys in the time that I've kind of been waiting for being able to do some things. So I got some brand new LED lights in the shop. You can see right here what they were. It makes it really difficult to carve and produce good quality video for you when you can't really see anything in the shop. So I went on to Amazon and found these 8 LED lights for under 60 bucks, and wow, what a difference in lighting itself. I then also decided that instead of my computer crashing about 40 times on me every single time that I produce a video on my laptop, I got a new gaming PC. And no, I'm not going to be playing any games with it. This is strictly for video editing, so I can provide you better content and make it look like it's not shot by a 3-year-old. And then lastly, if you've seen some of my videos in the past, the audio's not been that great, and hopefully this time you'll hear a little bit of a difference. I got the new Rode Wireless Go mic, and this thing so far, in some of the pre-editing I've done and some of the video sampling I was doing just for this video itself, this thing is awesome. I've got it plugged into my Samsung Galaxy S9. I did have to buy an extra accessory cord for it because the one that it came with is only for DSLR cameras, and I don't have one of those. I shoot everything on my Samsung Galaxies that I have. I have a couple of them. The 9's the new one, but the other ones that are sitting in the shop are my old ones. They make for great cameras. If you have any ideas about the channel or things you'd like to see, please leave a comment down below. Like I said, I'm growing in this. This is a new experience for me, and I'm open to that feedback. So please be gentle, but be honest. If you guys like what you see, please think about hitting that like button and subscribing if you like things about the X-Carve, or if you already have one. So things to come. I'm going to build a new bit board for my storage of my bits and my Z-probe. I want to add a couple different more clamps that I found on YouTube from one of the content creators, and I'll be sharing that with you later on the bit board. The clamps, I will refer the link to the creator, but I'm not going to do a video on that because it's already been done. I will, however, link to his. And then I'm going to do a new wasteboard. Right now my wasteboard's 24 inch by 24 inch, and I want a bigger one, so when I'm doing bigger deep cuts and cut throughs, it's not going to go down into into dead space. I want it going into somewhere, if it does go into somewhere, versus just being in the free air. It'll make it a lot easier to clamp down things too. So I look forward to your interactions, and thanks for watching.